Saxon Products Incorporated is investing in the purchase of a robot for the use on company's assembly line. Selected data relating to the robot are provided below. Engineering studies suggest that use of the robot will result in a savings of $30,000 direct labor 30,000 direct labor hours each year. The labor rate is $16 an hour. Also, the smoother workflow made possible by the use of automation will allow the company to reduce the amount of inventory on hand by $405,000. This inventory reduction will take place at the end of the first year of operation. The release of funds will be available for use elsewhere in the company. Saxon Products has a 19% required rate of return. This information was provided for us. The cost of the robot, installation and software, troubleshooting the software, estimated reduction in hours, labor hour savings, labor hour rate. In doing so, also, uh, the labor hour savings times labor hour rate equaled 480,000. Savings in inventory costs plus savings in direct labor less annual increase in power and maintenance costs was $660,000. All of this came to annual net cost, which is here in B. Other cash flow, total net cash, F, PV value, the PV factor and the PV were all figured. To figure, B was provided, and to figure out D, we took B plus C, which was the annual net cost plus other cash flow equaled $1,065,000. $1,065,000. That came up with a PV value of E, and then the F equal to D times E. The sum of all present values for each year came out to $2,389,803.86. When we lessed investments, we took less cost of the robot, installation, and software, which equaled up to $2,325,000, and we were left with the present value minus investment, which was $64,803.86. That gave us our NPV, positive net. Estimated reduction in hours was 25,000 at the hourly rate of $16. Cost of the robot, installation software, troubleshooting software. The math is the same as above. However, there's a change in savings and direct labor. We took the same numbers here. The estimated reduction in hours times the hourly labor rate. That gave us this number here, direct saving in labor. The change in estimated hours resulted in a lower annual net cost savings. Everything was the same here. So the cost of the robot plus installation and troubleshooting software gave us an NPV of $259,806.93. 3.05676, the sum of all PV factors, $259,806.93. Annual cash flow minimum required is solved by dividing that number by the sum of all PV factors. And so we just took that, and when we divided that number, we came up with $84,969.90. Thank you.